Today I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to remove manager or editor access from your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio. To get started, make sure you are logged in and head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Once you are here, we need to locate the Settings menu. Look down at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. When this window pops up, go ahead and click on the Permissions tab. Here, you will see a list of everyone who has access to your channel. Find the user you want to remove, click the drop-down menu next to their role, and simply select Remove Access. Once you've done that, hit Save. Now, because this is a sensitive action, Google will ask you to verify that it is actually you making these changes. Click Proceed to continue. You will be taken to the Google login page. You might need to enter your password, or if you have two-step verification active, you might need to use a backup method. Here, we are choosing to get a verification code sent to our recovery email. Go to your inbox, find the code Google sent you, and type it into the box. This step is crucial to ensure no one else can lock you out of your own channel. Once you have the code entered, click Next. You may also get a prompt on your smartphone to confirm the sign-in. Just check your phone, match the number displayed on the screen, and tap to approve the login. Great! Once the verification is successful, the window will refresh and take you back to the YouTube Studio. You should see a notification at the bottom saying Settings Saved. And that's it! That user no longer has access to your channel data. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.